Remove the top cover fixing nuts. Loosen the top cover by means of the 2 dismantling screws from the tool panel. Dismount the fuel index pointer. Mount the lifting tool on the fuel pump top cover. Screw the center screw of the tool into the plunger. Ensure that the stop ring on the center screw is loose. Pull the center screw of the tool to lift the plunger clear of the bayonet joint in the roller guide and the milled recess of the regulating guide. Lift the top cover and barrel with the plunger out of the fuel pump housing as one unit.